Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to use Google Docs in 2025. If you're new to it or just switching from Word, I'll show you exactly how to start, edit, and share your documents step by step. Let's get into it. First, go to Google Docs or open the Docs app. Make sure you sign in with your Google account. To create a new document, click the blank page with the plus sign. This opens a new doc, just like a Word page. At the top, type your document title. It automatically saves everything as you type, so no need to hit save. Use the toolbar above to change font, size, bold, or color. You can also insert images, tables, or links by using the Insert menu. To share your document, click the Share button in the top right corner and people's email address or copy the link and choose whether they can view, comment, or edit. Everything updates in real time, so multiple people can type and edit together instantly. And that's how you use Google Docs in 2025. It's simple, fast, and perfect for school, work, or team projects. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more quick beginner tutorials. See you in the next one.